Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking forward to learning Oracle database administration from scratch or preparing your own Oracle DBA lab environments, you are in the right place. In today's video, I'll walk you through the complete process of installing Oracle Linux and creating an Oracle database step by step. Whether you are a beginner, an aspiring Oracle DBA, this tutorial will help you understand the entire process in a simple and practical way. So in this video, I'll cover installing Oracle Linux, configuration and configuration the operating system for Oracle database, creating the Oracle user and required groups, installing Oracle database software, creating a new Oracle database using DBCA, verifying the database and connecting with SQL Plus. I'll also explain the purpose of each step, common mistake to avoid, and the best practice followed in real world environment. So if you are ready to build your Oracle database environment from scratch, let's get started. Okay, so first we are starting from to build the virtual machine. So here we are creating virtual machine, and for that, we need to click on this new button. I have already set up my own Oracle VirtualBox manager. So now we are starting to build virtual machine. So first here asking for name. What name I should keep? Let me keep like VM1. I need to choose the folder when I have to create this VM. So let me choose that D drive. Already VM1 is created. So let me delete that, and I'm creating new folder, which name I'm again keeping VM1 only. So VM1 and selecting folders. ISO image is must required, so you have to download that from the Google and keep it somewhere inside the folder in a drive. So it's available inside my F drive. So I'm just choosing that. Then you, without fail, you have to uncheck this, proceed with unattended installation. It's a best practice according to my opinion. Okay, so I'm just unchecking this and specify virtual hardware. So I'm just giving base memory size is 4000 MB, 4000 MB. Number of CPU I am keeping one only right now. No need to check this, and specify virtual hard disk. So I'm just giving hard disk size is 50 GB. You can give as per your requirement, but minimum requirement is 40 to 50 GB. 50 is much better, so I'm giving the 50 GB. Okay, now no need to choose this because there is no any existing hard disk exist hard disk file exist. And yes, specify virtual set up unattended guest OS installation is hard because here we have just unchecked this, that's why. Okay, so now all the things is done. Virtual machine name given, choose the VM folder, ISO image also selected, OS Linux, OS distribution Oracle Linux. You can change it from here as well as per your requirement. Okay, then OS version, setup unattended installation, guest OS we are not touching right now. Hardware done, hard disk done. Now let me click on the finish. So here my VM1 is created. Now let me click on this start. So it will take few minutes time. Okay.